Nerve damage, or neuropathy, is a condition where the nerves are impaired, affecting their ability to transmit signals between the brain and various parts of the body. Now, there are different types of neuropathy. Peripheral neuropathy is the most common type and involves damage to the nerves outside the brain and spinal cord. It often affects the hands and feet, causing symptoms like tingling, numbness, and pain. Then there is proximal neuropathy. This type involves nerve damage in the thighs, hips, or buttocks, causing weakness and pain in the affected areas. Now, neuropathy can be due to several reasons like high blood sugar, which can happen in diabetes and is scientifically known as diabetic neuropathy. Other reasons are traumas or physical injuries, certain infections, certain toxic chemicals that damage nerves, and certain autoimmune conditions. But the good news is that there are some very effective essential oils that can help repair damaged nerves and relieve symptoms of neuropathy. So in today's episode, let's learn about some of the best natural oils for nerve damage that you can use daily to protect your nerves from damage and heal them if they are already damaged. Let's begin. Number 1. Lavender essential oil. This oil offers many awesome health benefits due to its anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and calming effects. So you can use it as a complementary therapy to help manage many symptoms associated with nerve damage, such as pain, inflammation, stress, anxiety, and sleep disturbances. All you need to do is mix a few drops of lavender oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil or sweet almond oil, and gently massage it into the skin, particularly the part that's inflamed or causing pain. You can also consider inhaling lavender oil via many methods, including using a diffuser, inhaler, or steam inhalation. Inhaling the aroma of lavender oil can help promote relaxation, reduce stress and anxiety, and improve mood, which can be very effective if you have nerve-related pain and discomfort. You can also consider adding a few drops of lavender oil to a warm bath to create a soothing and relaxing experience. The warm water combined with the aromatic properties of lavender oil can help ease muscle tension, alleviate pain, and promote better sleep. But do remember that while lavender oil can provide temporary relief against many symptoms of neuropathy, it should not replace professional medical care. Always seek the guidance and advice of a qualified healthcare professional for the treatment of nerve damage or any health condition. Number 2. Peppermint essential oil. This essential oil is well known for its refreshing fragrance and cooling sensation. It is derived from the leaves of the peppermint plant, scientifically known as Mentha piperita. Peppermint oil contains menthol, which has a unique ability to activate cold-sensitive receptors in the skin, producing a cooling sensation. This cooling effect can bring relief from sensations of pain or discomfort associated with neuropathy. Menthol also acts as a natural analgesic or pain reliever, and it does that by interacting with receptors that make you feel pain. So when you apply peppermint oil topically, it temporarily numbs your skin, providing relief from mild pain or tingling sensations. Peppermint oil also contains other compounds like menthone and menthofurin, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. So these compounds can potentially reduce inflammation that could be causing you pain or discomfort. Some research also suggests that peppermint oil, including its menthol content, has muscle-relaxing properties. So if you are experiencing muscle spasms or tension related to neuropathy, peppermint can be of great use. Using it is super easy. For topical use, you must dilute it with a carrier oil, like coconut oil, almond oil, or extra virgin olive oil. Alternatively, you can also use it in aromatherapy by inhaling its vapors directly from the bottle or diffuser. Number 3. Rosemary essential oil. Rosemary oil comes from the leaves of the Rosmarinus officinalis plant, a fragrant shrub from the Mediterranean. Many people have already been using it because it smells so pleasant and has tons of health benefits. Now, when it comes to nerve damage, rosemary oil can effectively help you out. It contains compounds like camphor and rosmarinic acid that have analgesic and pain-relieving properties, making it potentially good for relieving pain from nerve damage. Plus, rosmarinic acid and carnosol in rosemary essential oil can fight inflammation, which is often a problem with nerve damage. And antioxidants in the oil, like caffeic acid, further protects your nerves from getting damaged. Rubbing rosemary oil on the sore spots can also boost blood flow, bringing in oxygen and nutrients for nerve repair. Oh, And the nice smell of rosemary? It can help you chill out, reducing the stress and anxiety that often comes with nerve issues. Number 4. Chamomile essential oil. Chamomile oil comes from the flowers of the chamomile plant, and it's been used for a long time in traditional medicine. It's got some cool compounds like bisabolol, camozuline, and flavonoids. These compounds have anti-inflammatory, pain-relieving, and antioxidant properties. Nerve damage usually comes with inflammation in the affected areas, making the pain worse. Chamomile oil's anti-inflammatory properties can tone down this inflammation, reducing pain and making you feel more comfortable. Chamomile oil works as a pain reliever by preventing the pain signals from reaching your brain and giving a soothing feeling. Plus, the antioxidants in chamomile oil can tackle those pesky free radicals, protecting your nerves from further damage. Now, if you want to use chamomile oil for nerve damage, remember to mix it with a carrier oil like coconut, almond, or jojoba oil. This way, it's safe to put on your skin and prevents the risk of any irritation or allergies. So just keep it diluted and patch test it first. Number 5. Helichrysum essential oil. Helichrysum essential oil is well known for its therapeutic properties, and it's been used for various health conditions, including nerve damage or neuropathy. While helichrysum oil isn't a direct cure for nerve damage, it can provide supportive care and many potential benefits. For example, helichrysum oil has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce inflammation and swelling linked to nerve damage, offering relief from pain and potentially improving overall nerve function. It also has analgesic properties, so it can be applied to the skin to temporarily ease nerve pain. Some studies also suggest that helichrysum oil promotes tissue regeneration and supports nerve repair. So by enhancing cell growth and restoring nerve tissue integrity, it can speed up the healing process. Even better, helichrysum oil has a positive impact on the nervous system, thanks to its compounds like terpenes and flavonoids. These compounds help strengthen the overall nervous system and improve nerve signaling. Number 6. Eucalyptus essential oil. Eucalyptus oil is packed with a compound called eucalyptol, which is known for its anti-inflammatory effects. So it can potentially reduce any inflammation that could be causing your symptoms of peripheral neuropathy. Moreover, its analgesic properties can temporarily numb the affected area and help ease your pain. Plus, it can enhance blood circulation around the area where you apply it and support the healing of your nerves. Eucalyptus oil is also known for its calming vibes, particularly when used in aromatherapy or applied on the skin. By promoting relaxation and cutting down stress, it can help you relax and sleep properly, which you might be struggling to get due to neuropathy. Remember, though eucalyptus oil can offer some relief, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you're dealing with nerve-related concerns, it's wise to get personalized advice from a healthcare expert. They can guide you on the best ways to use eucalyptus oil and suggest other strategies to manage nerve-related symptoms. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.